Welcome back. Now, if you started the process with Prime Video Direct, you've probably already set up a brand, you've probably already set up a bank account. Now, there's quite possible that you may want to work with an individual that you want to have assist you with your account. However, you don't want them to have all information on all of your videos. And if that's the case, you can go to the top menu here, and a little bit of this is blurred out, but you're going to go to this drop down menu, and then you're going to click create another account. What you're going to notice right away is that this is the same license agreement that you agreed to when you set up your account initially. And what you can do then is agree to this once more for the new account. Now, the individual that's going to be set up with this account is going to be the administrator, or you are going to administrate the account also. And you'll notice here that you're going to have to go through this same process, setting up the business account, setting up your payments, and then submitting your tax information. And what this does is it allows you to set up different information for videos that you're going to be creating under a different address and different company profile. And this separate brand will have its own dashboard, its own videos, own landing pages, and everything separate. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.